Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagen with cardboard. First, gather all your essential materials. You'll need large, sturdy cardboard sheets, a sharp utility knife, and a reliable adhesive like hot glue or strong craft glue. Don't forget a ruler, pencil, and plenty of reference photos of the G-Wagen to guide your design. A safe, clean workspace is also crucial for this project. Next, let's build the foundational chassis. Begin by cutting out the main base and side panels from your cardboard, using your reference images for accurate dimensions. Carefully assemble these pieces, ensuring they are perfectly aligned before applying your strong adhesive. For added durability, reinforce all major joints with additional cardboard strips, creating a robust and stable base for your G-Wagen. Now it's time to bring out the distinctive G-Wagen features. Carefully cut and attach the iconic front grille, headlights, and window frames. Pay close attention to the unique angles and proportions. Next, form the robust wheel arches and bumpers, ensuring they match the vehicle's rugged aesthetic. Finally, craft smaller details like side mirrors and door handles to complete the authentic look. For the final touches, consider applying a protective layer to your cardboard G-Wagen. This could be a coat of paint for color, or a clear sealant to increase its durability and lifespan. You might also want to add small cardboard wheels or other decorative elements to enhance realism. Double-check that all components are securely attached, ensuring your impressive cardboard G-Wagen is sturdy and complete.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.